Lesson 5.4 on Review Packet 5a. Use the four functions for part A and B. So Hideki chooses one of these functions. When he uses the number 5 as the input, the output is 14. Can you tell which function he is using? So just plug in 5, for example, for this one. So it'll be f of 5, so x is 5 because input is 5, right? Equals 3 times x, which is 5 in this case, plus 1. That's 16. So this is not the function he was using it. So which one he was using it? That's how you solve this problem number 6. Problem 8. Dorothy describes the following number trick. Pick a number, blah blah blah, and whatever. And Dorothy always tells your ending number. Choose at least 5 different numbers as input for Dorothy's function. Write an input-output pairs in a table. So just write the table. Try 5 different numbers. That's what you do. Let's pay attention to this little memo on the side. It says first you multiply x by 3 and it gets 3x. Well, many of you are really good at this. Once you find the structure, then you can tell what the pattern is and the structure is, and then all you have to do is just, instead of using number, just plug in x and you'll see you can make the equation. So that's what you do for the part B. Okay. Next problem, use the function g of x equals x squared minus 5 and h of x equals absolute value of 3x plus 1. Evaluate each function. So let me just do part A. G of 0, right? G of 0 will be x squared minus 5, and all I have to do is put 0 there, and that's negative 5. What if you have g of 1? You just simply replace 1 and find the answer. Okay. When you do the negative number, you got to be really careful. Make sure to use parentheses all the time. That will avoid you. That will prevent you from making a simple negative sign mistakes. And if you make the mistake in SAT or MCAS, you'll get 0 points. So even though you know exactly what you need to do, so make sure to use those parentheses when you plug in numbers. Number 10, let M represent a function that uses 2 points as input and give back a number as an output. The 2 input points are P of x sub 1 and x sub 1, y sub 1, and Q is x sub 2 and y sub 2, and M of PQ. Remember this? This is a slope between P and Q. Is y sub 2 minus, you've seen this before. That's the slope, right? What does the output MPQ represent? Well, I actually told you the answer, right? That's the slope. That's the slope, right? Remember this? Second y minus first y over divided by second x minus first x, right? Remember that. So calculate that. This is the problem. This is almost a review problem, but you know what to do with this. Many of you were really good at this, but the question is, do you still remember, right? The next problem, well, this is lesson 5.5, so I'll do that on a different video.